soon. Cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around.
Pasok tayo sa iyong subdivision. Yan. Ayan ang gate. Ito yung main road. Pasok.
Okay. 5 minutes later, 24 hours later, much later, much later.
Ito si Sir Rod. Siya po yung turnover sa atin.
So, subject for cleaning naman.
Ayan. Kaya lang nilinisan pa ito kasi ngayon ko lang pinuntahan. Ayan, nilinisan pa ito. Yun. Akyat muna ako sa taas ha.
6.5 hours later, a few inches later.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Nanay mo. Oh, ganda. Bunting linis lang to. Kasi hindi na turn over agad eh. Hindi natin agad kinuha yung susi. Ayan, may kisame na yan. May heat proof doon sa taas ha.
Hours later, soon after.